Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and customize an arrow in Microsoft Excel. First, go to the Insert tab, then click on Shapes. From the Line section, select the arrow. Now, simply click and drag on your worksheet to draw the arrow. If you want to make the arrow perfectly straight, hold down the Shift key while drawing it. You can also customize the arrow to match your needs. Simply right-click on the arrow and select Format Shape. From here, you can change different properties of the arrow, including its color, thickness, transparency, and dash style. You can also customize the beginning and ending points of the arrow. Finally, you can easily move or reposition the arrow by clicking and dragging it to wherever you want. And that's it. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.